Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today I want to talk about MacRumors and the iPhone pre-order discussion threads that we've done for years. Just a few moments ago, mods have come through and mass banned people, mass suspended people for no reason at all. Our original poster, who has been doing this for years, who does all this hard work and posting information and stuff, has all this stuff here about the iPhone, pre-order dates, previous history of our threads and stuff like that, was suspended for starting the thread too early. They started at like 25 minutes before the event went live. It wasn't days or weeks or anything before. It was yesterday with the Apple event. And then now a bunch of us have been suspended for voicing our concern about that. And my account was personally suspended for off-topic post about moderation. Complete BS. The MacRumors mods need to do better. We've had no issues in this thread. We usually get 25,000 plus posts in the 2 weeks between pre-order and delivery, hundreds of pages, and as you can see, they've just mass suspended people, and it's basically just died out right away. Never had this issue in the past. We've always had off-topic discussion while we're waiting on our phones. That's kind of the whole point. It was just a thread where we all gathered and waited. It was basically like a virtual line at the Apple Store, waiting for our pre-orders and our phones and stuff like that. And this year the mods have just gone absolutely crazy and totally killed that. So MacRumors, if anybody from MacRumors sees this, get your mods in line.